So I'm unboxing MacBook Air 13-inch. We just got it from Costco. As you can see, all the configurations: 8GB unified memory and 250GB SSD. And just Dada got it for his son in Bangladesh. So 13-inch MacBook Air with Apple M1 chip. So M1 chip is updated chip because Apple is not no more using Intel chip. So okay. So let's see what's inside. So there you go. Charger adapter, and this is, I guess, yeah, it's not USB-C, yeah. So it's a regular charger because it's like old. So okay, let's take out this part and then turn it on. Okay, we'll put it back in again because we're not gonna use it here, right? All right, let's see Apple's logo, and there's a screen, little bit of screen, couple of or something like that. All right, here we go. Let's get started. Hello. So first of all, it's asking for language. So English. Enter. Okay. Select your country. For now, it's United States. We're gonna continue. And then asking for all the settings. We don't need all of this, so Wi-Fi, we might connect with Wi-Fi for now, just temporarily. 5956, right? Okay.
It'll give 526.
All right, let's go. Continue. Connect AC power adapter. So asking for power, because the power is not enough right now. So so basically we don't have to do anything. Your son can do